Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install GNU Parallel on your Linux environment. So GNU Parallel is a tool that is used for executing jobs in parallel using one or more computers or CPUs. So you can install by compiling from the source code, which I've made a video on. You can watch that using the link in the description box or using the link right up there. Or you can also install using Conda. And today we are going to use Conda to do the installation because Conda makes life easy for you. So if you don't have Anaconda installed on your system, instructions for installing Anaconda has been given in the description box. So use the links there to install Anaconda. So once you are done with that, then you move on to the terminal and we continue. So per the instructions here, you can install from the Conda Forge channel. That is what it is. So let's proceed. And I think you can also install using the Bioinformatics channel, but we will look at all these options here. So assume that you have installed Anaconda. The first thing to do is to add your channels. So we add two channels, Bioconda and then Conda Forge. So we say Conda config add channels. We add Bioconda. Let's add the second one, Conda config add channels, Conda Forge. Let's add another command here. So this command will let us know if the channels have indeed been added. So we say Conda config show channels. So this will list the channels here for us. The default one comes packaged with Conda, so we leave it as it is. So after this, you then create an environment and install Para in it. So you can create the environment first and install, or you can create the environment and install Para at the same time. So we choose the latter, where we create the environment and install Para at the same time. So we say Conda creates -n, we indicate the name of the environment. So let's say Para, and then we indicate the tools we want to install here. It's the same Para. So this is the name of the environment, this is the name of the tool. So we take note of that. If you have other tools, you can also add them here. You just separate them with a space character. So we have this done. So we now execute it. So we type Y to confirm, and then Conda will install for us. So let's type. So packages will be downloaded and installed for us. Okay, so Conda has installed Para for us. So this is the instruction. If you want to activate the environment, you use this command here to do it. Conda activate Para, and then we deactivate with this. Let's clear the screen. So in case you have forgotten the name of the environment, you can just use this command here, Conda and list, to list the environments, and then you know which of them you want. So we are interested in the Para. So to run the Para command, we have to activate this environment. So we say Conda activate Para. And so we have that environment activated so that we can issue Para. At the moment, we don't have any jobs or any options, so we just use this, and then it will be executed for us. Okay, so that's how we do it. Let's exit or cancel this process using Ctrl D as has been listed here, or also Ctrl C. So it has been exited. Let's clear the screen. So that's how we run Para. And this is how we install Para in a Linux environment using Anaconda. So if you are done, you can deactivate this environment by saying conda deactivate, and it will be gone. So that's how we do it. So that's what I have for you for today, and let me also get your views in the comment section and let's have a discussion. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next session. Goodbye.